Hello, good morning once again. Welcome to another trading session. I hope everybody had a good week. Today I'm just going to show you about some important things and a quick way to navigate and customize your MT4 or MT5. Pretty much the same. I'm not going to go through downloading, so this is after you have downloaded how to get through to see your assets or instrument that is going to trade. Is you go to the view and you have your market watch. So you're going to use market watch and the terminal, then the navigator. These are the important things you use, and you have your data window here, but that's not important. We'll go through that if we have to. Then these are the status bars. So just to let you know, everything on the MT4 is customizable. So once you have here, you can right click on your asset. If you don't see anything or you don't see something you want, you come to the show all button, and you can also hide and everything. So here you can actually arrange the instrument or the pairs as to how you want them, and you can do that by right clicking. Then you come to the symbols. So as you can see, these are the symbol lists, and it shows you everything there. So as you come here, this is important, everything that is available on this platform to trade. And then you can show, you can hide properties, everything is there. So if you want to expand, that is how to expand them. And I like my currencies to be on top. You can actually delete everything here and rearrange, but for me, I like everything to show here. You can simply also drag, like everything that you want it to be, you can just drag and put it there. So what you want, I want them all the major currencies like the pound USD, euro USD, Aussie card, everything to be up, then the rest to follow. Then when I arrange it in the way that I want, then I want my indices and the commodities to follow next. So that is what, let me go and look for oil, if I can find oil somewhere. These are stocks, so this is in the order that I want my trade to look for me. As you can see, I have the German 30, so I'm just moving the German 30. I'm moving the Nasdaq up. I believe that I have them already, but I just want to show you that this is also easier, where you can just rearrange everything that you want to come up. You just left click, hold and drag. So you just drag them up like that. So you can use this to actually set up your charts the way you want to arrange your instrument. And if you also only want to let's say if you are someone who just trades a few currencies, like 4 items at the top, you can also use a feature on the MT4 just to split all your charts so that you can see those 4 items at the same time. So your screen is going to split into 4, because it's if you can do it many, but if you do, that's the feature over here. Okay, not that one, sorry, that's the feature over here. But if you do that, you see, because of I have so many charts open, this is how it is. But if you only have 1 2 3 4 open, then you can actually go through that, and then your screen will be divided equally, and it will be something like one chart here, one chart here, one chart here, one chart here, and you can see and do your analysis. So just to let you know about that feature. And then if you want to throw the chart onto the here, you can just drag and place it as I did, or you can right click and the chart window and go. So this is how what I want to show you to customize the everything here. So here you can come to the properties as I have come. When you come here to common, you can choose which of the charts you want to use, bar chart or candlestick. If you want candlestick, you can do that here, and you can tick this chart foreground so that the chart will be appear at the foreground for you. You can also chart shift. This will allow you see what you the chart shift and chart auto scroll, which means any new chart that comes automatically it scroll. What the chart shift does is you see here the next chart coming is very close to price. So once you click that, you can see so the chart have shifted close, so you have space here. So this is what you can see. And also this is an important feature. You can hold this and drag and make the chart small, or you can hold it and drag and make the chart big. And this is the grid lines, that is the spaces, small boxes. I want to get rid of that, so I can just click that, and I want the background to be like this. And you can even customize that. Then the colors you can choose whichever color you want, but my bars going up, I want to make it a green candle. My bar going down, I want to make them red. So bull candle is the same as bar going up, and bear candle is the same as bar going down. But you can use any chart that you want, as long as you want, as long as you are happy. And this is the great. So the foreground is white, or you can make whatever you want, and you can also come here and customize the color, which means you can choose more whatever if you don't want any of the colors here. But I prefer to leave it like this. The gray, if you want to make it a little bit grayer, it's up to you, whichever way you want. And that is you finish and you click OK. So this is to zoom in the charts, as you can see, or you can zoom out. And then when you have a setup that you want, you can come here and save the template. Okay, give the template a name, whatever name that you want, and you save it so that you can use it next time that you pull any new chart out. You can use it the same template that you are using. If you don't need these things here, okay, you can get rid of that. And so these two things are very important as well. You can see what it does. Okay, and this also is it just bring out some indicator. We'll go to indicator in the next few minutes. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is where you have a custom indicator, and if you want to place a custom indicator which is not located there, you can just come here and you go to the open data folder. You go to indicators, MQ indicators and template, and you can put them there. And after you've put them, you just either right click on those indicator stuff, and then you go to refresh, or you close your chart and reopen it, and you go back to the indicator list, and you find all the new indicator that you put is going to be at your custom indicator. Okay, so another important feature that I want to show you is when you want to insert anything here, objects or stuff like that. Okay, these are trend lines that you want to use. I have customized this so I can use it the way that I want, but before that I haven't customized. Let me show you. It's the same as this. You see, when you do it, it's just stretching out probably to levels that you don't want. So if you want to customize, that is all you need to do. You double click, you want to double click, then you want to go to the properties, you want to just make it a little bit thin. Okay, this is drawing at the background. This is how it is, and now you can just hold on. Okay, so sorry, I've come back again to the properties. I just uncheck that, and that is what I have here. Okay, and you can duplicate this by control, and so that you don't have to go and bring it back again. So you hold control and you hold this, and that is it, and you can duplicate it, you see, as many as you want. And it is the same thing as this. Before, I'll show you how it was before I customized them. So you come to the properties and just uncheck this. If you uncheck the draw at background, then you make it as thick as you want, then you can have it draw it to the, because before when you draw, it's right away. Okay, and you cannot have whatever you want, but I've customized it, which means that I can make it the way that I want. And the same thing as well, hold down control and hold it, and you can duplicate it, so instead of you going to bring it back again. And it's the same thing for all indicators here, whether it is a test or triangle, which are the triangle, you need to have 3. You see 1, 2, 3, and you have the triangle, and you can duplicate it also, because before, let me show you how it was. The properties, you can see I have unchecked the draw object at background, and I have this here, and I have made it thicker as I want. So if I want to duplicate it, all I need to do is control hold, and then you see. So if I want to make my analysis, you just have to just hold that whichever way and drag it on the sides. That is all I want to. And another way, when I come to insert again, I come to shape, I have my rectangle, and it's the same. And this helps me to, I can use this to guide me on my entry of a trade and my stop loss calculation as well. Okay, so how do I do that? So assuming and the same, I control, I hold, and I bring it here. Assuming I needed to, I was looking to, let's say, sell the market from here, and this was my entry here. Okay, this was my entry, this is my stop loss. So I can put it around there, showing me where exactly I want to enter and my stop loss, and that can calculate my stop loss for me. So if you look at that, that's about 28 pips. You can do that. That is it. You see, about from my entry to my stop loss is 28 pips, and I can calculate the amount to draw also, that is 220 and pip. So I can also say, okay, this is my entry, this is my stop loss, and so I'm using 15 pip stop loss to my entry, and look at it. So this is so if you want to actually prevent also a lot of losses, you can do a very good risk reward of probably 1-to-1, and you can also use this, you see, as a trend line as well. Okay, and you just click over there and you move this around. And also I'm going to show you another quick pips calculator, which is trade. We have trader on chat, and we have nforest.com. I'll put it on the link below for you. So these are things that you need to do, and if you don't need this toolbar here, you can get rid of them. Okay, that's the standard. You can get rid of them, and all this that you need, you can put them here so that you need them. And if you want to delete everything, you come to object here. Okay, objects, and then you can select everything here by everything that you've put there, you can select them and delete them at the same time. You can also copy or control and drag to just select everything at the same time, and you can just go and delete okay, all of them gone. Or you can just you can highlight and select everything at the same time and delete all of them at the same time, instead of doing everything at once. So you can see how important, if you know how to navigate your charts, how important it is. And I will show you one more. Okay, when you put a new chart there, you see these things. Hold on. If I want to get rid of my grid lines, okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so I believe that this will help you, anybody going through to at least know how to enter, go around, customize your charts on your MT4, and this will help you. And how you also want to place a trade, someone was asking me, you can place it here on the asset that you wish to trade, and you right click and you have a new order here, and then, or you can go here and new order on the asset that you want to trade. And I show you how you can calculate your stop loss. So you can just put the stop loss, you can put the take profit here, and if you want to do amendment after you've placed your trade, you can this are pending order that I have done before. Someone also asked, how do you take partial profit? You have to take a partial profit, assuming you have this 3 lot size in this trade. All you have to do is go to where you have your trade here, bring the trade up onto your that symbol up onto your charts here. Then you want to close maybe 2 lots and leave 1 lot, so you have 2 lots here, and you click close, and it's going to close your trade for you. And if you want to modify the order, this is all you need to do. So you can amend your stop loss here, you can amend your take profit, and when you finish you click modify, and then it's modified for you. Then you amend it, and then everything is okay for you. So this is how you go through it. And like the last time I talked about as well, psychology is not panicking when you are in the trade, because as a trader you are going to have losses. Is bound to occur. You're going to experience it. So if I'm scalping, I have my rules that in the morning I'm taking 2 or 3 trades. If I lose all of them, I go away and I come back and I look at the US session and I look according to my strategy. I can do my trades again and look to have a better trade. Having one bad trade in a day or a week does not mean you're going to have a bad trading month. Having bad trading month doesn't mean you're going to have a bad trading year. So I want to measure my performance on monthly basis. So I don't panic if you take a losing trade. I want to check and see, is it a fundamental error? Is it a human error? Is just something that's happening? And if I'm scalping and I have fast moving markets, I want to stop trading, go back, and also come, because you don't want to have it in your mind that, oh, I've lost this trade and I want to make it back. I want to make the money back. I want to make the money back. These things doesn't actually help you, and then it will your mind is not right, and is going to actually lead you in making a couple of bad decisions after bad decisions, and this can lead you into blowing your account. So always risk a little percentage of your account and let your profit also run. So I believe that this session will help any newbie or an experienced trader who didn't know about these things that I have shared with you. And have a very good trading week, and take care of yourself. And until I see you again, it's cheerio. Bye.